In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download artifacts from Claude. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get files, code, or other outputs from Claude onto your device in just a few clicks, with tips to avoid common hiccups. First, open Claude. You can do this in your web browser or the desktop app, whichever you normally use. Give it a second to load your recent conversations so everything is up to date. Next, open the artifact you want to download. In Claude, artifacts are the files or structured outputs the model creates for you, things like code projects, documents, images, or data files. Find the conversation where you generated it, then look for the artifact card or the artifacts panel associated with that response. Click the artifact to open it in full view. If you have more than one, choose the one you actually want to take offline so you don't end up downloading the wrong version. Now click the download or export icon. You'll usually see this in the artifact's header or toolbar. It may look like a downward arrow, a box with an arrow, or a share style icon labeled download or export. Hovering over it typically shows a tooltip, so if you're unsure, pause your mouse for a second to confirm you've got the right button. If you're prompted to choose a format, pick the one that best matches how you plan to use the file. For code, you might see options like a single file or a zipped project. For text or documentation, you could see .txt, .md, or .pdf. For images, expect formats like .epng or .jpg. For data, .csv or .json are common. If no prompt appears, Claude will use a sensible default for that artifact type, and the download will begin immediately. Once you confirm, your browser or app will start the download. Most browsers save files to the Downloads folder by default, or they may ask you to pick a location. It's a good idea to rename the file with something descriptive, especially if you're iterating on versions. After it lands on your device, open it to verify everything looks right. If it's a zip file, extract it first so your code editor or viewer can read the contents properly. If the download doesn't start, check your browser's download permissions or any pop-up blockers. Also, make sure your network isn't restricting file downloads. Refreshing the page and reopening the artifact can help if the session has gone idle. That's all there is to it. Open Claude, open the artifact, click Download or Export, and choose your format if asked. Thanks for watching and happy downloading.